I'd like to invite our next speaker, Karl-Heinz Fritz from Cicor Group, and he'll be talking to us about printed electronics using aerosol jet printed technologies.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Karl-Heinz Fritz. I'm Vice President for Technology and Development at the Cicor Group, and I have the great pleasure. Does not work? Oh, okay, good. I have the great pleasure to give you a bit of insight on printing of sensors using the aerosol jet printing technology. We as an electronic manufacturer are very often confronted with the demand or with the requirement to further miniaturize the devices we are building. As an example, you see a hearing aid on this picture. This is one of our main product lines we are supporting here, and there is an ever-growing functionality in these devices. More and more sensors and functions are getting integrated in that, and no one is really interested in increasing the size of these devices. So they have to be discreet, they have to be comfortable to wear, and customer acceptance is just growing by making it even smaller, or at least not increasing the size. What we are seeing more and more is that conventional technologies we are offering in our portfolio are reaching their limits. That's why we have started to investigate alternative technologies to what we had in-house or what we have been using since many years. And printed electronics seemed to be, well, a good choice for that. So we have in the meantime found out in collaborations with our customers, with our partners, that this is enabling a whole set of new products, a whole set of new manufacturing techniques. We have opted for aerosol jet printing. There were some presentations on the topic already before during this event. Aerosol jet printing is, in a few words, a touchless, very flexible printing method. Several different kinds of materials can be printed: conductive, non-conductive, functional, even reactive materials can be printed using this technology. We are running 2 development labs at Cicor, one in Switzerland, one in Singapore, in which we do co-developments with our customers. So we are improving or developing printing methods, while the IP of the product is property of our customers. Besides the fact that it is very flexible, it has also another beauty in it. It is a very sustainable technology. We are generating less waste, means we are almost utilizing 100% of the ink materials we are filling into the printer for printed structures. We are using no chemicals. The only water we are using for this technology is really just the water to clean the print head. And the energy consumption is much lower. So if you compare that to existing technologies or existing methods to generate circuits, to produce circuits, we are definitely more environmental friendly. And if we select inks, we have a very close look at the components that are part in these inks. The inks are typically a mix of, in many cases, nanoparticles, solvents, binders, surfactants, and so on. So we are really selecting inks also by their properties. So we try to use environmentally friendly materials. The printing technology as it is might be more expensive than a flex circuit, for example. When it comes to the total cost of ownership, you always have to see the whole system. On top here, you are seeing a classical way a sensor is, for example, attached to a piping or a tubing or whatever. So circuit is glued to the pipe.